Hey, I'm Chris Zepp from Make Everything, and today I'm going to be making these two center punches using my torch and some 1045 steel. And stay tuned for the end of the video and you can learn about a giveaway I'm doing with Harris Torch, giving away a pipeliner torch kit, essentially exactly what I'm going to be using in this video. It's really cool. Check it out. So I'm going to be starting this project with the Harris Pipeliner kit. And it's a torch kit that comes with hoses and regulators and a brazing tip. And I'm going to be using the cutting tip, but I'm not going to be actually using the cutting lever to boost the output of the torch. I'm just going to be using it to heat these two pieces of 1045 steel. Now, I had made a couple of errors on this, so you'll notice the back sides of these are a little twisted up. And the biggest thing about what I'm doing is to experiment with heating the metal and then twisting it. So I'm going to be doing an alternating twist pattern where I heat one section, twist it, cool it, twist it again, and then we'll be heading over to the grinder to grind out the tips. Now over on the grinder, this is a Broadbeck Ironworks 2x72. I love this thing. It's got a super huge platen, and you can see I'm able to manipulate the platen itself and get myself a really extreme angle that I can work against the actual work rest and grind in the tips of these to a nice fine point really, really evenly. When I'm done grinding on the tool rest, I'm able to readjust the platen quickly and then use it to just grind in this kind of longer taper and get the chisels to have the geometry that I want. Now heat treating on this 1045 is really simple. I'm just heating these up red hot, quenching them in water. That'll make them hard. And then I'll go back in with the torch and I'll cool them down a little bit to temper them back. I'll heat them up a little bit and let some of the color run out. And there's a bunch of great videos on heat treating 1045. And I'm not going to go into too big a detail, but if you're more interested in it, I'll leave some links down in the description. You can check it out. Over on the bench grinder, I'm using one of these nylon kind of coated wire wheel alternatives. This thing is pretty cool. It's a Ferret Abrasives product. It gives a really cool finish, and in the end, I was really happy with the way it was able to pull the scale off. All right, that about does it for this video. I enjoyed making these. I've never actually made center punches before, and I've watched my friends, some of the blacksmiths that I know, do these twisting techniques, and I've never tried them myself, so it was a cool little learning experience, and I'm pretty happy with how they came out. I thought they looked pretty cool, and it was nice to be able to accomplish them with just a torch. So the moment I'm sure most of you have been waiting for is to learn about the giveaway of this Harris Pipeliner kit. Now, Harris was generous enough to send me 2 of these. And when we talked about doing a giveaway, I said, you know, I don't want someone to enter it for themselves. You know, it's the holiday season, it's, you know, the giving season. So I want you to go down into the comments and nominate someone to win this kit. Post about someone that you know, tell me about them, and tell me why I should send this to them. You know, maybe it's a young person who's just getting started, an older person who's, you know, looking to get into metalworking, someone that's down on their luck. I'm gonna read all those comments, and I'm gonna pick one person to send this to, and I'm gonna be mailing it myself, so I'll throw some Make Everything stuff in there as well. And you know, it's really a great opportunity to shine the light on someone that might need something like this, or, you know, could really benefit from getting a kit like this. Now, the torch I use in the video is the torch that comes with this. It's a pretty serious kit. It'll cut up to 6 inches of steel with different tips and stuff like that. I'll put a link in the description on this actual kit itself if you're interested in checking one out for yourself as well. So check the description for the rules on how to enter. Don't forget, the biggest part is commenting down below and letting me know who you think should get this. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, more videos making stuff. And if you have any questions, leave those down in the comment as well, because I'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see what I'm doing day-to-day basis here in the shop, you can follow me on Instagram at Make Everything Shop. And I actually had posted about this giveaway a couple of days ago as I was working on these, so check me out on there as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I can't wait to give this thing away to somebody who needs it. Again, I'm Chris Zepp from Make Everything, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks.